Can you tickle Max again? Oh, that's nice. Let's open a window so we have some light. There we go. Can you tickle Max again? Tickle, 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 tickle. Where are Max's toes? Yay! Oh, look, he's looking at you. He's looking at you. Say hi, Max. He loves his big sister. He loves his big sister.
It's Baby Max. Baby Max.
Baby Max. That's Baby Max. Can you give him a little kiss? Oh, that was very sweet.
Kiss. Kiss.
You kissed Max.
Kiss. Max.
What do you think? Hi.
Hey,
You tickle his feet. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Yes.
Yes. He is looking at you.
Hey.
That's his sister.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi, hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Max is just hanging out on the edge of the bed. Ooh. Oh, little Max. Such a sweet face. Such a sweet face. Hi, Max. Blue eyes, just like your sister at that age. Bless you. Do you see Max?